Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson. As we have already completed lesson 1 from history, now we'll start geography today. And the lesson is lesson 8, atmosphere. Students, this is a very important lesson and we'll try to understand it with the help of a presentation. So here we are going to understand atmosphere and its composition. What is atmosphere? We know that our planet Earth is enveloped by a deep blanket of gases which extend several thousands of kilometers above its surface. You can see this is our Earth and there are so many gases which are extended over several thousands of kilometers above it. Like land and water, land is the lithosphere and water is the hydrosphere, right? So like the land and water, atmosphere is also integral part of the earth. Compared to the earth's radius, atmosphere appears to be only a very thin layer of gases. However, because of the gravity, it is inseparable from earth. इसका मतलब है कि एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत ही थिन लेयर है, लेकिन अर्थ की ग्रेविटी की वजह से ये अर्थ से inseparable रहता है. And there is the atmospheric pressure in the atmosphere. The air exerts pressure on the earth's surface by virtue of its weight. जो air है वो अपने weight से pressure डालती है अर्थ पर and this pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. Now let us understand what is the role of atmosphere. Now we are going to learn about the atmosphere. As we know, the atmosphere contains several gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Plants require carbon dioxide and animals require oxygen. The atmosphere supplies these life-giving gases, so the atmosphere is the air surrounding the earth. The atmosphere is the mixture of different gases and all the life forms need particular rate of temperature and specific range of solar radiation to carry out their biophysical process. It also helps in stopping the ultraviolet rays harmful to the life and maintains the suitable temperature necessary for life. Generally, atmosphere extends up to about 1600 km from the Earth's surface. However, 99% of total mass of the atmosphere is confined to the height of 32 km from the Earth's surface. Now these are the different gases which are the composition of atmosphere. So here we can see different gases like nitrogen which is 78%, oxygen around 21%, argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.038%, neon, hydrogen, helium, xenon, krypton, etc. Besides these gases, water vapors, dust, smoke, etc. are also found here. Now we'll study about the structure of atmosphere. Now let us see the structure of the atmosphere. As you can see here, structure can be studied as a layer entity. Each layer has its own features. Now first of all come to the troposphere. Troposphere जो है वो पहली layer है. Troposphere it extends to a height of 8 km at the poles and 18 km on the equator. Now then comes to the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the layer which is beyond the troposphere and here presence of ozone layer can be seen. Then comes to the mesosphere. This is the intermediate layer beyond the ozone layer and meteoroids they burn over here. जो shooting stars हैं वो यहाँ आके जल जाते हैं. Then comes to the thermosphere. In thermosphere, temperature rises very rapidly, okay? And this layer helps in radio transmission also. Then comes to the exosphere and exosphere के बाद आता है space. Now the atmosphere can be divided into 5 parts according to the diversity of temperature and density. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and last is exosphere. Now the first is troposphere. As we all know, this is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere and the thickness is greater at the equator. All the clouds are formed in troposphere only. बादल और एटमॉस्फेयर की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ ट्रोपोस्फियर में ही होती हैं. ऑल द एटमॉस्फेरिक एक्टिविटीज़ हैपन्स हेयर ओनली. Now next is stratosphere. The aeroplane they fly in the stratosphere. एरोप्लेन्स जो हैं वो स्ट्रेटोस्फियर में ही फ्लाई करते हैं. सो इट लाइज बियॉन्ड ट्रोपोस्फियर एंड द टेम्परेचर रिमेन्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम इन द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ दिस लेयर up to the height of 20 km. Then the temperature increases slowly with the increase in the height, and that is because of presence of ozone gas in the upper part of this layer. This layer is considered ideal for flying of aircraft because no temperature disturbance is here. It is the region of stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Now comes to the mesosphere. This is the intermediate layer beyond the ozone layer and temperature gradually falls over here. Mesosphere में temperature गिरता है and the meteors, the shooting stars, they burn over here. Alright. Then comes to the thermosphere. Now in thermosphere temperature rises very rapidly. जैसे जैसे height बढ़ती जाती है temperature thermosphere का temperature भी बढ़ता जाता है. Okay, now ionosphere is the part of this layer. It is made up of ions, that is why it is called ionosphere. Okay, यहाँ पर सारे रेडियो सिग्नल्स भेजे जाते हैं. All the signals are sent in the thermosphere. Now the last one is exosphere. This is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. The density of the air is also least here. हवा की मात्रा काफ़ी कम रहती है यहाँ पर. And after the exosphere is the space. और इसके बाद में हमारा space start हो जाता है.